Zwilling's been around since 1731, and for hundreds of years they've been making quality German steel knives. Hey, Chef Austin here with Everything Kitchens. We're going to be taking a look at each line from Zwilling so you can find the perfect match for you. The most economical line from Zwilling is the J.A. Henckels International. Your J.A. Henckels International knives are going to have a one-man logo on them. They're going to be produced with German steel but manufactured in different countries. First up, we've got the EVERSHARP Pro. The EVERSHARP Pro is a stamped knife and it has a serrated edge at the bottom. The serrated edge does not require any sharpening and is a great entry-level knife for low maintenance. Next, we have the Fine Edge Pro. This is the brother to the EVERSHARP Pro. They share a very similar profile. This one does not have a serrated edge. It is your traditional sharpened edge. This is also a stamped knife. Your stamped knives will be sharp for the first part of their life, but they will quickly dull down compared to the forged knife versions. Next up, we've got the Forged PREMIO. As the name suggests, this is a forged knife, so it's made from a single piece of German steel and has been hammered out and sharpened into the knife you see. It has a very heavy bolster, it has a full tang, and on the back it has a back bolster. Your back bolster is really nice. It's going to help you with that rocking motion when you're chopping and slicing your vegetables. Next up, we have the Forged Synergy. This is another forged knife and it has a very unique handle. The handle has a brushed stainless steel back that goes all the way to the butt of the knife. This makes it very comfortable in your hand with that nice curve on the top, and it looks very nice in your knife block. Last up, we have the J.A. Henckels International Classic. This is their classic knife design with the triple riveted handle, the full tang, and the full bolster. The full bolster is great for chopping through heavier foods. Your knife is going to do a lot of the work versus your muscle. Here we have the Zwilling lineup. Your Zwilling knives are going to sport a two-man logo, and they are made from German steel and produced in Germany. They've also gone through additional manufacturing processes like ice hardening so that the edge of the knife will stay sharper even longer. Our first knife that we have up here is the Twin 4-Star. The Twin 4-Star has an ergonomic poly handle that's very easy to clean. It's also a bit rounded, so it feels extremely comfortable in your hand. The Twin 4-Star has a 3/4 tang on the knife, so that's going to make it a much lighter knife, so it's going to be easier to use for longer periods of time. Next up, we have the Professional S. The Professional S is Zwilling's classic knife design with the triple riveted handle, the full tang, and the full bolster. This is a very classic knife and will look great in your kitchen. Here we've got the Zwilling Pro line. Your Zwilling Pro line looks very similar to the Professional S, except it has a redesigned bolster. This is a half bolster and it actually tapers down into the knife. This gives you an incredibly easy pinch grip that gives you total control while you're slicing and chopping. Last up, we're going to introduce the KRAMER series by Zwilling. There are many lines within the KRAMER series. These knives are actually made in Japan from straight carbon steel. Your straight carbon steel is very hard, so it's going to allow you to actually sharpen the edge to an even finer point, and the edge retention of the knife is going to last much longer than the traditional German steel formula. Like a luxury sports car, these knives take special care. They will develop a natural patina over time and they can rust. The edge can also chip if used improperly. But when you do take proper care of these knives, you can pass these down from generation to generation. We hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you did find it helpful, give us that like. If you see a knife up here that you have questions about, leave us a comment below, or if there's a knife that we didn't feature, we'd love to feature it for you. Let us know and we'll get you helped out.